Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT and I get this awesome button for it. Yesterday I tried this command to get a button component from ChatGPT and this was the result which it gave me. I would like to show this code and I would like to explain this code how this thing works. I am opening my Visual Studio Code. I'm just going to copy this HTML element and just going to copy the CSS code for our button copying and I'll explain the details what are the things it is done for us. What first let's look at the button how it looks. Let's go to our document. See awesome looking button. See it's also having click effect. Let's zoom a bit so you can please button clearly. See yes, see, awesome awesome click effect also. Okay, let's look at this component how this ChatGPT has created this button. I will explain the code clearly. It also giving the command line explanation of what it has done. Okay, it's you can see the class we are going to select the button class. You can see we are selecting the button class, and it's a basic styling we are applying like display property of inline block and padding, and these are basic basic properties that we can give to the button like background colors, such thing as that. The main part for our visual design is this four things like this fog shadow. See box shadow. You can see that it's giving a box shadow of 2 pixels from x-axis, y-axis, and the spread also it is giving. And the color it's like very lightish black. I think so. Opacity of black, opacity of 0.1. This RGBA. You know it's giving opacity, and as a transition, it's giving smooth transition. It's giving some seconds when you hover. And let's see hover set of the button how it works. And when we are hovering, or we know that our black color changes to this orangish color, I think so. Then the button is going top for like 2 pixels. We can see yes, it's going around 2 pixel top. Yes, this is clearly visible. And box shadows, you can see this comparing both shadow. We are lightly increasing the box shadow so that button which looks like going somewhat top. Can see it's a multiples of 2. You can see we are lightly increasing the box shadow and opacity of the colors also slightly increased. Yes, we can see it clearly. Then the button when it is clicked on that time we can see clearly we are going to reduce the make the button to default position, that is a box shadow also we are removing the box shadow, and we are going to just make the button to original position, that is 2 pixel, because when you hover it's going to minus 2 pixel, and when you click it's going to be the default. So like this of awesome method we can do help of ChatGPT and simple code which we get from this ChatGPT guys. I hope this was very informative and helpful for you guys. I hope you have understand something about this simple awesome looking button guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Stay tuned for more videos.